Welcome back everybody to a brand new video. In this video I will be showing you how to make a simple speech to text recognition platform using Python. So let's get started. Okay, so before we do anything we need to install two main libraries. The first one is speech recognition. So pip install speech recognition. So this will install speech recognition for us. This will allow us to make the speech recognizer, open the microphone and everything. The next thing is to install pip install PyAudio. Okay, so what you can do is, if it says like you can't install PyAudio, you can try to install VS Code Microsoft Build Tools. If that doesn't work, try downgrading your Python to 3.11.9, which is the current version I'm in, so that this project can work. Okay, so after we have installed our main libraries, we can start with the code. So the first thing that we're gonna do is import speech recognition. So import speech underscore recognition as SR. And after that, R is equal to sr.recognizer. This creates the speech recognizer for us, so we don't have to do much. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is while true, sorry about that, while true, we are going to type in with sr.microphone as source. We are going to be printing, let's just print one simple listening. So let's type in listening ... Okay. After that, we need to type in r.adjust for ambient noise. So it's just going to adjust it for us. We're going to put source and a duration of 0.2. This is basically going to adjust everything for our ambient noise. Next, our audio is equal to r.listen source, so it's going to listen to what we're saying, and that is going to be saved as our audio. And then text, we're going to text is equal to text.lower. So we're just like, putting the lower version of the text. So text is equal to text.lower. And then we're gonna print you said text. So just type in you said plus, not plus text, we're just gonna type in comma text. Okay, so this is basically the simple recognizer, and after we put in r.listen source, we're going to want to put in another line. Actually, I missed that, and it's going to be text is equal to r.recognize, sorry, not recognize Amazon, r.recognize Google audio. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. So audio is equal to r.listen source, and text is equal to r.recognize Google audio. So that is a very simple speech recognizer. But then after that, we are going to have to do some things. So first thing, we have to make a way to be able to exit the program. So type in if exit. So if exit in text. So in text print. Sorry, we have a gap there. Print exiting the program. So just type exiting, and then after that type in break. Okay, so this is a very simple speech recognizer. And then after that, we can go to the top over here. So after while true, we can type in try, and then just make a tab. So basically what we're doing is we're doing while true, then after that we have try, and then we're going to continue with all of this. So let's run this. There's an error coming here, I don't know why. Okay, so there's an error coming because we have not put the except block yet. So let's start making the exceptions for errors. So the first thing that we're going to type in an except for. So except sr.requestError. So sr.requestError as e, and then print could not request results dot format e. So this is for the request error. The next error that we're going to be doing is except sr.unknown_value error. We are going to be printing could not understand audio. And then lastly, we have except keyboard interrupt, print program terminated by user. So program terminated by user, and then type break. So let me just quickly explain to you what some of the lines for code was. So the first thing is that sr.recognizer, this makes the speech recognizer for us. So I'm just gonna type in here makes the speech recognizer. Okay, so that makes the speech recognizer. The next thing is that with sr.microphone as source. So this line over here, this line actually opens the microphone for our inputs. So this one opens a microphone, and then after that, this one r.adjust for ambient noise, it actually reduces the background noise. So it reduces the background noise, which is very helpful. Like if you are going to do it in a quite noisy place, then this is going to be a very useful line. Next we have audio equals to r.listen. This records the speech from the user. So I think it's very obvious. It records the audio. Then after that, the text is equal to r.recognize Google. This converts the speech to text. So basically converts the audio to text. Then after that, if exit in text, so if the user says exit, and then each of the exception handling is for the API errors, unrecognized speech and everything. So not much. So this is how we can make a very simple speech recognizer. So let me run this. Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? And then if I say exit, so see, I type in hello, it's listening. Hello, how are you today? It's listening. And then once I said exit, it exited the program and it finished it for us. So this is a very simple tutorial on how to make your own speech recognizer using Python. I hope you like this video. Please like and see you in the next video. Goodbye.